Welcome everyone. Wynnum at the Bayside is a coastal suburb in the city of Brisbane, located in Queensland, Australia. It is approximately 22 kilometres from the Brisbane CBD. Wynnum hosts a large variety of birds such as osprey, Brahminy kites, yellow robins, rufous whistlers, pelicans and of course seagulls and much more. Here, for instance, we have an oystercatcher foraging for cockles. They're very determined little birds. Just watch him go. They have a great determination and a very unique personality. Here is Australian pelican. The Australian pelican is a large water bird in the family of Pelicanidae, widespread in the islands of coastal waters of Australia, New Guinea and also Fiji and parts of Indonesia. Here he is. He found some fish skin by the looks of it, but he's not too interested in it. It mustn't taste very nice. Here comes the seagull. But the pelican is not going to have any of that. Even though he doesn't like it, he's not going to let that seagull come and take it. But he'll give it another taste and confirms that it's no good. Another pelican has just popped in to see what's going on. This oystercatcher is still at it. Here is a whimbrel. Whimbrels feed mostly on crabs and other marine invertebrates. Wait for this. You ready? Amazing hunters. Now I'm convinced that this is the SS Minnow from Gilligan's Island. What do you think?
Ground on the shore of this uncharted desert.
What do you reckon? I reckon it looks pretty similar, don't you think? Meanwhile, our oystercatcher is still at it. I love those beaks. The seagulls are taking their afternoon bath before bedtime. Everybody's busy trying to get their last meal before nightfall. And this is how they clean their beaks, by putting their heads sideways. Here is a white-faced heron. Herons eat a variety of prey, but mainly fish, insects and amphibians. The waterways are filled with pelicans, so beautiful to see. It's good to see them in good health and large numbers. And here we have two seagulls found themselves two fish frames, probably filleted by fishermen and the heads and bones discarded. He's defending his fish. Get away, he's saying. Get away. This is mine. Pelican's just looking on. Pelican decides to wash his bill. Watch how he puts his bill sideways. Birds with large beaks usually do this. This one's found another fish frame. But he's thinking twice about swallowing this one. It's hard to swallow a fish with no flesh on it, just bones. These two pelicans are a couple. I always see them together. Our friend the oystercatcher is still at it, trying to get in as much as he can before nightfall. These three came to check out this fisherman. Maybe there's a free fish in it for them. These seagulls are still at it with their fish frames. Now he's going for the eye. Nice. Not before long, this ibis decided to come and see what's happening here. Ibis's favourite food is crayfish and mussels. The oystercatcher hasn't stopped one bit. And the fight continues over here. Meanwhile, the pelican's just looking on. And his partner's saying, "Come on, let's go." Even the oystercatcher is watching them. And here are our two lovebirds, the very romantic couple. I love watching these birds fly. Beautiful, majestic flies. This will give you a perspective of how big this pelican is. Wynnum is also a popular place for people to go and gather bait. Crow popped in to say hello. Someone decided to join the couple, and they're not happy. But determination pays off with this guy. You clearly see that they don't want him there. Here is a Pacific Golden-Plover. Great birds. Now I'm going to show you a sequence of photos I took that day. I hope you enjoy them, and thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one really soon. But before I go, here's a quick word from me. Just quickly, if you're enjoying the video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. It helps me out and helps the channel grow. I really appreciate it.